welcome back. So we are now moving on to types of solutions. So far, we've had one type of solution, which is one solution, that we find a solution and we solve for x. But there are actually three types of solutions. I'm not going to do an example over the one solution because everything up till now has had one solution. But we are going to talk about the other two types of solutions. So we're still going to look at these equations as equations. So we have the three questions to ask ourselves. Do I need to distribute? And in this case, that answer is a yes. I need to distribute. So I'm going to take 3 times 2g and get 6g. And then I'm going to take 3 times 4 and get 12. And so 6g plus 12 equals 6g plus 9. And then, do I have same side like terms? In this case, we don't have same side like terms. So we move on to the third question. Do I have variables on both sides of the equal sign? The answer to that is yes. So I'm going to subtract 6g from both sides. And so what happens is my variable disappears. My g's go away. In this case, I'm left with 12 equals 9. And so with our special solutions that are not one solution, two things are going to happen. Variables disappear or zero out. Variables zero out. And then you've got it's either a true or not true statement. You're left with a true or false statement. And then that's what's going to help you know. This true false statement is what's going to let you know what answer you have. So here, 12 equals 9, that's not true. That's a false statement, right? So 12 does not equal 9. And so that's when we have a no solution. So again, we solved like we did the last several lessons. Our variables ended up dropping out or zeroing out. We had a false statement, therefore is a new solution. Next. All right, so ask myself, do I need to distribute? In this case, the answer to that is no, I don't need to distribute. Second question, do I have same side like terms? And the answer to that is yes. I have 9 and negative 2. So here is 4p plus 7, because 9 minus 2 is 7, equals, and then on this side I have p and 3p, so 1p plus 3p is 4p plus 7. And then from here, do I have variables on both sides of the equal sign? The answer is yes, so I'm going to subtract 4p from both sides. My variables again disappeared, so my variables zeroed out, and I'm left with 7 equals 7. So this is a true statement. Okay, and so because it's true, this is an all real numbers or what all real numbers means is that all real numbers would work in this equation, or infinitely many solutions. It's one of these two is what it's going to give you. And I think it's this one here, infinitely many. I can't remember from one textbook to the next, but they both mean the same thing. Infinitely many means that there are, no matter what number I put in, or even non-number. I could put a non-whole number. I could put square root of 2 in for p. I'm going to get the same answer on both sides of the equal sign. And so that's what you need to know. All real numbers or infinitely many solutions means that it doesn't matter what I put in for p, it's going to work. No solution means it doesn't matter what I put in, I'm not going to find anything that makes the left equal the right. So, or any same number to make the left equal the right. And those are our two different types of solutions, and that is it. So until the next chapter, 8th graders, deuces.